In this tutorial, we will show you how to download and install Ungoogled Chromium. On your browser, search for Ungoogled Chromium GitHub. You will see a lot of results, but it should be the first link, which is a link to the Ungoogled software's GitHub repository. Click it. Scroll down and look for the Downloads section. Find Automated and Maintained Builds. In this case, my operating system is not listed, so we'll click the Download Binaries from here. Click Windows 64-bit. You can download either the exe or the zip. In this case, we will be downloading the zip. Wait for the file to finish downloading, then go to the download location. Right-click the zip file and extract. Open the folder. Find and launch the Chromium application. Press More Info and click Run Anyways. Ungoogled Chromium has now been installed on your device.